Mozia is a small island off the western coast of Sicily, where since the times of the Phoenicians, salt has been produced in the salt pits you can see in the background. After the Phoenicians, the Carthaginians settled on the island, making it their first and most important colony in Sicily. To reach the salt pits, they had to come on this road that is now covered by 2 feet of lagoon water. When in 1862 Garibaldi disembarked with his men near this place to start his march on Rome, there were 31 salinas with an annual production of 110,000 tons of salt. It was already known to the Phoenicians that the crystallization of the salt was the result of the gradual evaporation of the seawater. But only in the 16th century the Italian mineralogist Giorgio Agricola gave a detailed description of the production process in the salt pits, which must have been pretty much the same in pre-Christian times. In the Salina Infersa, salt is still produced following the ancient procedure, a procedure that has been handed on through generations of salt pit masters. Although we are in the 21st century, they still use Archimedes screw in its original form. The similarity with a Wham replica of Archimedes screw, according to Vitruvius' description, is stunning. The screw is completely manufactured in wood and sealed with bitumen. The dimensions, too, come close to the ones indicated by the Roman architect. This is a manual one, but they use others with a motor drive on it. Simple explosion engines linked to a cardon-jointed shaft coupling have replaced the hundreds of windmills which were used to power the water screws until the end of the 19th century. Next to the Mozia ferry pier stands the only intact mill, which has now been turned into a museum.